How to fix Twitter photo quality on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter photo quality on any Android phone. First open settings and open Twitter, and then click on your profile here, and then click settings and support, and here we'll find settings and privacy. Click on it, and now just scroll down until you find here accessibility and display language and languages. Click on it, and now click data usage, and here we'll find high quality image uploads. Click on it and make it mobile data and Wi-Fi, and then click high quality images and make it mobile data and Wi-Fi also. Then just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.